Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to pay for a Netflix subscription using Jazzcash. So first, we're going to go to our browser. Then we're going to search for Buy Netflix Membership. So that's going to take us to the Netflix membership website. Then we're going to click on the first website as you can see. Then click on Next. Then we're going to choose our plan. So as you can see, there are different plans depending on your convenience, depending on what we want. So I chose Premium for now. Then we're going to click on Next. So here's the page we're going to insert our payment info. It's going to ask us our card number, our expiry date, and all the list of things we need to start our membership. So here's where we're going to insert our Jazzcash info. So we're going to have to need our Jazzcash credit card in our hand. So we're going to write the card number, as well as the expiry date and all the list of information needed. So that's how you use the Jazzcash to pay for your Netflix subscription. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.